This is the PDP controller and I've been using it for 2 years. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have a controller by PDP. We have a video on our YouTube channel with over 26,000 views. It is the biggest video on my channel, obviously. It is my biggest achievement on YouTube, obviously, like I said. And this is our 2-year review. So after using it for not constant 2 years, I've been using it for about 1.5 years. Of basically constant gaming. I use it for GTA, Call of Duty, Fortnite. I don't really play Fortnite that much anymore, but I use it for GTA, Call of Duty, and Star Wars Battlefront 2. This controller has held up many times. I've dropped it several times. The USB cable actually has not broke on me, surprisingly. But it works perfectly fine. I use it, like I say, every single day. Or when I play video games, usually use it every single day. I have 2 control freaks on it, which is the right side, the FPS Edge, and the left side, which is the FPS Galaxy. They both work really good grip. The texture on the top has dual texture. I do use a headset every single day. I talk to many different people with this headset right here. This is the Triton Arc 100s. I use this headset, just plug it in here, and then I can mute the headset like that, just double tapping the bottom. Works pretty good. It basically has a built-in chat pad. You can just hold this and then choose the game and then put that side up, or the party chat, you can put that side up, whichever way. Works really good. A lot of people actually said they had a lot of issues with this controller. I don't even know how, but that's that. It's good to be having this controller working, and it's pretty tough for other people that don't get to use this controller because it broke or they don't know how to use it properly or something. I don't know. Personally, I just take care of my controllers. I clean it about once a month. I actually haven't cleaned this. I cleaned this once since the last 4 months probably. But I just take really good care of my controllers, as you can see. Well, that's a bad example, but it's pretty good shape as for using it for about 1.5 years of constant gaming. I do have some videos on my Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description, or a little at card right here somewhere, of my channel, or my profile I meant. And you could go in and check out the games and the gaming videos I play on there. And you can see I use this controller pretty good. Obviously when I'm playing Call of Duty. Right now I'm playing Star Wars Battlefront 2. Works like a charm. Works perfectly, just 10 out of 10. And I switched over from wireless to wired because I got really tired of the controller dying on me during mid-battle. It sucks. It ruins the whole entire match. Because once I'm in like Call of Duty and I'm about to get a nuclear, my controller dies. And then I have to plug it in. Eventually I'm going to get the Elite Series 2 controller for the Xbox One. But that's going to be later, probably in the year. I'm going to be unboxing it as well, probably somewhere in June or around summertime. But yeah, I'm wanting to get that. Probably some new control freaks as well, and some other attachments. I'm a big fan of control freaks. They have new ones that are coming out every single month, I believe. But these are my 2 personal favorites, the Galaxy and the Edge. Really good control freaks. The buttons are very clicky still. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this so I don't click anything on my game. But the buttons are very clicky still. They work properly, all of them. Very clicky. The only downside is the triggers. They make like some weird ear rape sounds sometimes. Like the spring is like squeaky. weird, but I don't really hear anything when I'm gaming because I have the headset on. But that's basically one downside of this whole 2-year operation. Everything else works perfectly fine. It's in very good condition. I only spent like $20 to $30 on this controller. It was very inexpensive. I got it at a GameStop. So I'm very, very happy I got this purchase. I'm glad I actually got it, because if I never got it, I would have never unboxed it. I would have never made a review now, and it would have never have had 26,000 views on that video with almost 200 likes. That is just amazing. Absolutely phenomenal. If you guys can, please drop a like on this video and subscribe, because it'll help my channel out a lot. I'm wanting to get to 1K subscribers by the end of this year. Hopefully before June, which is my birthday, June 11th. I'm wanting to get at least 1K so I can have monetized videos for the rest of the year. And then I'll be able to do more unboxing videos and of the upcoming phones and devices and stuff like that. Once that happens, I'll also have a job and stuff. So yeah, overall great controller. Hope you guys did like this video. And please like it if you did. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.